Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best ear wax removal available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Jegoat Ear Wax Removal. This smart ear wax removal camera combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, making ear care safer and more effective. Its real-time HD camera streams crystal-clear images directly to your smartphone, allowing you to inspect your ears with confidence, capture photos or videos, monitor changes over time, and even share images with healthcare professionals when needed. The soft silicone scoop, designed like a traditional cotton swab, cleans gently without irritating the sensitive ear canal, while the 12 replaceable tips promote excellent hygiene for long-term use. The IP67 waterproof lens is easy to rinse clean after each session, making maintenance quick and convenient. Beyond ear cleaning, the built-in camera adds versatility by functioning as a compact inspection tool for checking small, hard-to-reach spaces around the home. With its thoughtful safety features, clear imaging, and multi-purpose functionality, this device offers exceptional value for anyone seeking a smarter approach to personal care. Next up, we have Beebird Ear Wax Removal. This ear cleaning camera delivers an impressive combination of precision, convenience, and safety for at-home ear care. Equipped with a high-precision 1080p HD lens, a wide-angle viewing system, and 6 bright LED lights, it provides a sharp, detailed view of every part of the ear canal, making wax removal far more accurate than traditional methods. The Beebird app connects seamlessly via built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to watch a real-time 20 frames per second video feed on your iOS or Android device while capturing photos and videos to monitor ear health or share with a healthcare professional. The responsive live view helps minimize guesswork, making the cleaning process more controlled and comfortable. Beyond ear wax removal, the device also serves as a practical inspection tool for small, hard-to-see areas. Its reliable image quality, intuitive app integration, and thoughtful design make it an excellent investment for safe, modern personal care. Coming in at number 3, Layput Ear Wax Removal. This ear wax removal camera is a thoughtfully designed tool that makes ear care both safer and more effective. Its high-definition camera provides a clear view inside the ear canal, while the device maintains a temperature close to the human body for a more comfortable experience during use. The included silicone-covered ear scoops come in 3 different curvatures, allowing you to choose the best fit while protecting the delicate ear canal from scratches. Beyond ear cleaning, it can also be used to inspect the nose, throat, teeth, and scalp, making it a versatile personal health device. The built-in 350 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous use and an impressive 30-day standby time, reducing the need for frequent charging. Its IP67 waterproof lens and ear spoon are easy to clean after each use, ensuring excellent hygiene. Now at number 4, Raynating Ear Wax Removal. This ear wax removal camera stands out for its precision, comfort, and family-friendly design. The high-quality camera delivers sharp, real-time visuals with virtually no lag, making it easy to navigate both wide and narrow ear canals with confidence. The kit includes 4 different scoop tip styles, allowing users to safely handle both wet and dry earwax while accommodating the needs of adults and children alike. Built-in safety features, including a protective stopper and measurement scale, help prevent over-insertion, making it especially reassuring for beginners and those with sensitive ears. Unlike conventional silicone scoops, the precision tweezers gently lift stubborn wax from the ear canal walls with minimal contact, reducing discomfort and the risk of irritation. Combining thoughtful safety features, versatile accessories, and accurate imaging, this device provides an effective, painless, and hygienic solution for routine ear care at home. And finally, our last pick, Kojic Ear Wax Removal. This ear irrigation kit offers a practical and effective solution for safe at-home ear care by combining traditional water flushing with modern visual guidance. The manual washer produces a steady, pressurized stream that removes stubborn earwax more efficiently than basic rinse methods, while its one-handed operation makes the cleaning process simple and well-controlled without requiring batteries or electricity. The included high-resolution ear camera connects to your smartphone, providing a clear live view of the ear canal so you can accurately identify wax buildup, monitor progress, and clean with greater confidence while minimizing the risk of improper use. Its reusable design, complete with a built-in water reservoir and multiple replacement tips, promotes excellent hygiene and long-term value for the entire household. Overall, this kit delivers a thoughtful balance of safety, convenience, and performance, making routine ear maintenance easier, cleaner, and far more reliable than conventional ear cleaning methods. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.